I'd like to share with you a simple PowerPoint para mas madali yung mag-grasp yung gusto kong i-share today. Alright. Okay, so most of the people, and I guess some of you also are also familiar with what I do. I've been doing self-improvement seminars across the country for 20 years. Ang John Cal Training International Academy has been in existence for almost 20 years already. And for the record, we have trained over 300,000 Filipinos in the Philippines and around the world in the areas of peak performance, sales, motivation, and business, business workshops natin. In fact, we are also known for having produced thousands of rags to riches stories, no? So hindi po isa lang yung natulungan ng ating mga workshop na maging maging millionaire. We have produced thousands upon thousands of success stories. And there are a lot of people na mga sikat na rin, no? Who you probably know, who are now, millionaires who came from nothing, but would always reference that part of their journey was they underwent yung mga workshops ni Sir John, no? And yung mga signature workshops ko, I don't know if kung maalala pa ng iba sa inyo na nasa media, I often do my workshops in SMX, no? In Mall of Asia, na libo-libo yung nag-a-attend, no? These are the Money Magnet, How to Become a Money Magnet Workshop, Attracting Wealth, Ultramagnetic Persuasion, Ultramagnetic Selling, and so many other seminars. So, to cut the long story short, my focus on my entire career as a professional speaker was on motivation, and wealth creation. So, tumutulong tayo sa mga Pilipino na matuto ng mga tinatawag natin ng magkaroon ng multi-millionaire mindset, magkaroon ng mga skills to actually perform better in their respective careers. And I did that for so many years. And I became one of the highest paid speakers in the Philippines. I've also, as you've seen in my interviews, I've also written 2 international books. May copy ba ako ng book ko? Alright, ito po yung ating international books natin, Pillars of Success and Abundance Factor. Yung Pillars of Success became number 7 na book in Amazon. It was recognized by Amazon as number 7 top best-selling book in one category of Amazon. Pero yung una kong libro, Abundance Factor, which I actually co-authored with Dr. Joe Vitale, yun naman po ay number 1 sa buong mundo, alright, in Amazon. So dalawa po kami na sumulat yan, me and Dr. Joe Vitale. And so, all of this, alright, are already, kumbaga out there. Pero today, you will be surprised kasi medyo iba yung i-discuss ko sa inyo. This is like a big shift from where I'm coming from in the usual John Cal press cons that I've done over the years. Alright? So, I'd like to begin my story by sharing with you